Hi, Suzanne Patrician here again from BrainJax. I'm just going to show you how to create search optimized boards once you have your boards all organized. So first and foremost, when you're looking at your Pinterest profile and all of your boards, you can rearrange your boards in a format that might work for you. So for myself, I wanted social media and learning, cooking, ranch, products I love, favorite places and spaces, Jolly Molly accessories, and Gunther the Goat and Friends. And one of the things we can do is, if you wanted to, you can move them around. If you have extra layers of boards, you can move them around however you want to arrange them, and then just click Save Arrangement. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to edit a board for search engine optimization or optimized SEO. So here's the information that we had plugged in when we created our board. So Gunther the Goat and Friends, Who Can Pin, Just Me, and category is kids. When you click edit board after the board has been created, the description piece opens up. So what I've done is I've gone in, just fix that, and I've entered hashtags along in the description, which hopefully will roll up the board higher when people are searching for children's or ebook or website, videos, pictures, so on and so forth, okay? So you can optimize your boards and include any key terms or keywords from your Google Analytics, and that'll certainly ping it a little bit higher along the chains of search engine results that people get when they're searching for these key terms. And you can also use the keywords from Google AdWords as well if you're running a Google AdWords campaign with your small business, and create your description and your pins based on those Google AdWords. So two ways that you can add to your board. The first is, of course, having a pin on your timeline along the top of your browser bar. You can also have pin it on pictures, as I had previously shown you, but you can also upload information as well. Upload your pins from your desktop. And so you can either add a pin, you can upload a pin, or you can create a board with the add button here. So we'll just go back to that. So what I've done, you can see the picture here, is you can upload a pin. Sometimes, depending on the resolution of your picture, it's going to take a little bit longer to upload. So for the benefit of this demonstration, I'm just going to show you the one that I used, if I can find it. Gunther the Goat main one. Okay, so this is the one with the green outline. So what you do is you browse it, you upload it, it'll bring it up here. You pick what board you'd like to have it on, or if you want to create a new board, you can certainly type in a title there and then click create, or you can just choose the board that you're going to have. Then you describe your pin, and this is where you're going to put in the optimized keywords that relate to your pin on your board. Okay, you can brand and use terms that are related to your brand. You can use Google AdWords terms. You can use keywords from your Google Analytics. Whatever is going to relate your information back to the web and other search terms that have been used to find you, you know, anything to help optimize your profile with the search engines is going to be helpful for your small business. And then what you do, you can decide if you want to share it on Twitter, and then you can just click pin it. And that's going to then, when you go back to your boards, you'll be able to see your pin there. We've only got one so far today on this one, and they're going to be uploaded the rest of the afternoon when we're done our video cast time. And then here's the pins with the search engine optimization keywords that are being used, a link to the website. When you do put a product, as soon as you put a $sign, if you were to use the actual $sign off your keyboard, a little ribbon will come across here with the value of the product that you're selling. So for example, in cooking, one of the things I've done on my cooking board, doesn't this stuff look great? Is I have added, I thought it was in here, maybe it's in my social media and learning board. Well, here's an example here, but we do have a cookbook that's for sale that I thought I had put in the cookbook. So with the information here about the book that I had written for Teens in Conflict Together, the value of that book is in here. As soon as you put the $ at the beginning, it'll immediately come across the top, and it'll show up every time somebody makes that pin. Okay, and then there's a link down here on where that pin can be purchased. So just some tips and some ideas around how to create search engine optimization boards that are engaging for people. So you can certainly, you know, add your hashtags, add your prices of your products, your links, whatever it may be, to be able to create the engaging board for the people who are going to be following you on Pinterest.